What's up, carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and today we're doing our first cook on the Monument Grill's Mesa 400. What better cook than just a good old-fashioned ribeye steak? Hopefully we're going to get some good sear marks and some good steak to eat at the end of the cook. I don't see how we can't. But we've got a pre-marinated ribeye steak here, just marinated in some Worcestershire sauce with a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So if you want to duplicate this cook for some reason, that's how you do it. This has been marinating for about 48 hours. Get that flavor in there real deep. You know how you do. We've got the Monument Grill preheated already, burning. All the burners going at about the 3/4 mark. The grill's sitting at about 550 degrees. This will be my first steak cooked on a gas grill, so fingers crossed. You never know how it's gonna go. Here, we're gonna go just like this. Press it down really good. And we're gonna give that about a minute, minute and a quarter, something like that. Then we'll give it a slight turn, sear, and then we'll be flipping. Give it a little turn. Let that go for another minute, minute and a quarter. All right, let's go ahead and flip this bad boy over and get the other side going. Got some great color on this steak. Looking good, got some nice sear on it. Press it down, about another minute, and then a minute, and we'll be ready to give this thing a rest. I'm really enjoying my ability to adjust the heat on this thing. It gets too hot, I can turn it down. It gets too cool, I can turn it up. If I want to turn it off, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Another minute. All right, so that's it. This is my first steak on my gas grill. First steak on a gas grill ever. Got about 4.5, 5 minutes of cook time. Beautiful sear and color on this steak. Now all we got to do, just let it rest, and then we'll try it out. All right, so that amount of time got us out right there at that perfect 125-ish mark on this ribeye. It looks really good. The color is really great. I'm really pleased at how it came off of that gas grill looking. The Monument Grill performed flawlessly. Turned it up at one point in time. Super nice just to be able to crank the knob a little bit to get a little bit more heat to increase my sear on my steak. All right, so let's just go ahead and cut into this bad boy and see how we did. Great warm pink center, very beautiful steak. Put just a little extra salt on there and see how it tastes. You already know it was good, but just let me tell you, that's fire. That is so good. All right, so for my first cook, not bad. It's definitely gonna get better. Got some great pink center here. I think a lot of the brownness that is on the outside is from that longer marinade that I did on this steak. It definitely is juicy and delicious. I wish I could transfer taste over the screen, but I can't. So maybe we'll figure that out in the next episode. Guys, if you've got any questions about this Mesa 400, let me know. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like for me. Come over to American Smoke Carnivores on Facebook. I'm in there every single day. Thanks for watching. Smoke on, and I'll see you in the next video.